Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Namo Tassa Bhagavato Arahato Sama Sambuddhassa. Abhyada Nidisa. Abhyada Nidisa, paragraph number 306. 306. So here Abhyada, according to the order the Buddha has laid down a Dhammasagani. So Abhyada studied for the Kusala. So Kusala Dhamma, Akusala Dhamma, Abhyada Dhamma. Here Abhyada, we have Kusala Abhyada, Akusala Abhyada, and Kriya Abhyada. Kusala Abhyada, Akusala Abhyada, Kriya Abhyada. According to that order, the Buddha analyzed here a religious Mopada Vibhaṅga also. Okay, let's see Kadame Dhamma Abhyada. Yasame Samaye Kamavajrasa Kuslasa Kamasa Kadada Upachitata Vibhaṅga. Kamasara Kusla Kamasa Kadada. The Kamajra Kusla, they have been the done, Upachitata, they have acquired Vibhaṅga, the result of the Kamajra Kama. That is Jaku Viññāna. Jaku Viññāna Upana Hodi Upeka Sagada Ruparamana. This Jaku Viññāna arises with the Upeka, taking only visible object as the object. Dhammasame Sankhara Pajya Viññāna, as we do not have Avijja and also the Kusala Mula. In this case, the Buddha the start from the Sankhara here, Sankhara Pajya Viññāna. So we have seven Jadasika arising together with the Jada. As we have studied, Dhammasagani, we also know how many Jadasika arise together with the Jada. First, Vedana Sanya Jadana Ekagada Jivu Dendriya Manasika Raw. Seven Jadasika arise together with these Jadas. So we had Jirana there. Sankhara Pajja Viññāna, Viññāna Pajja Nama. Nama Pajja Chatthayana. Chatthayana Pajja Phassa, Phassa Pajja Vedana, Vedana Pajja Bho here. There is no Tana, there is no Satta. As there is no Tana, is Satta, it is Jadas. So the Buddha did not say Vedana Pajja anything, but here, instead of that, no Upadana, no Adhimokha here. Adhimokha does not arise together with this Jadas. Upadana also does not arise together with this Jada. That's why Vedana Pajja instead of Tana. So the Buddha said, Vedana Pajja Bho. Bho referring to four matter aggregate, except Vedana. So the Bho Pajja Jadi Pajja Jaramarana, Eva Medasa, Kevalasa, Dukkha Khandasa, Samudhyodi, just a mess of suffering arises here. So let's see here how many Vara the Buddha analyzed this Jada. Remember, in this Jada there is no Rupa, only the Nama, no Rupa there. That's why here, Tathāgatamo Sankharo, the Sankhara. Tathāgatamo Sankhara Pajja Viññāna, the Viññāna. Then the Vedana we have the Adukkamasukha Vedana. Then Tathāgatamo Vedana Pajja Bho. Here, Bho except Vedana. Then we come to the second Vara here. That is the first Vara of Chaduka, Pajja Chaduka. Here, the only Pajja Chaduka will be mentioned. The other Hetu Chaduka, Anyamanya Chaduka, Samyutta Chaduka will not be mentioned here. But others too, whenever we analyze the Jada, now we have to analyze with four Chaduka, with four Vara. But is some Jada, the four Vara cannot be applied here, how many water can be applied? Let's see. If the second water here, sorry, not second water. This is Hetu Jaduka. Sorry, Hetu Jaduka. That's a mesame Sankara Baja Vinyana Sankara Hetuka. With the Upika Sagada Jaku Vinyana arises. That's a mesame. At that time, Sankara Baja Vinyana. Vinyana arises due to Sankara. Sankara Hetuka rooted is Sankara. Now the Vinyana arises rooted is Sankara. Vinyana Baja Nama Vinyana Hetuka. Nama Baja Chatayarana. Chatayana Nama Hetuka. Chatayana Baja Paso, Chatayana Hetuko. Yeah, the gender also you need to be careful with the genders. Pasa Baja Vedana Pasa Hetuka. Pasa Baja Vedana Pasa Hetuka. Yeah, Vedana. Vedana Baja Bo, Bo Baja Jadi. So in the case of Vedana Baja Bo, there is no Bo, the Bo Baja Bi. Vedana Baja Bo, Vedana Hetuka. No Vedana Hetuka here. Vedana Baja Bo. So the just Vedana Baja Bo, no Vedana Hetuka. The Bo Baja Jari, Jari Baja Jaramarana. This is also the first Vara of Hetu Jaruka. The first Vara of Hetu Jaruka. Let's go to the another paragraph. This was referred to the Samyuddha Jaruka. Samyuddha Jaruka is Samyuddha Jaduka, there are 4 varas. Only the first vara is mentioned here. Only the first vara. But we have to analyze, or we have to classify, or we have to think how many vara can be applied here. So we have to think. Depending on the data, we have to decide by ourselves how many vara could be here. Okay, let's see Samyuddha Vara. Samyuddha Jaduka, sorry, Samyuddha Jaduka, the first Vara. Sankara Baja Vinyana, Sankara Samyuddha. So the Jada here, the Jadisikas are associated with each other. They are mutually related, mutually associated here. That's why Sankara Baja Vinyana, Sankara Samyuddha. The Vinyana Baja Nama, Vinyana Samyuddha. Nama Baja Chatayana, Nama Samyuddha. Chatayana Baja Paso, Chatayana Samyuddha. Pasa Baja Vedana, Pasa Samyuddha. Vedana Baja Bo, Vedana the Boa, here, Vedana Baja Bo. So we have no Vedana Samyuddha. We don't have Vedana Samyuddha. Vedana Baja Bo, Bo Baja Jadi, Jadi Baja Jarana, Jaramarana, Ewa Medasa, Kiwalaza, Duka Kandaza Sumudio Hodi. Ethichida, all Jaduka are analyzed here. Here, the 4 Jaduka, that is Anya Manya Jaduka. Anya Manya Jaduka, the first Vara. That's amazing. Sankara Baja Vinyana, Vinyana Baja Bi Sankaro. Sankara Baja Vinyana, Vinyana Baja Bi Sankaro. Nama Baja Vinyana Baja Nama, Nama Baja Bi Vinyana. Nama Baja Chatayarana, Chatayarana Baja Bi Nama. Chatayana Baja Paso, Pasa Baja Bi Chatayarana. Pasa Baja Vedana, Vedana Baja Bi Paso. Here, Vedana Baja Bo, not the Boa. The Boa here, the Vedana is Boa, not some Enyamanya here. Because Vedana Boa is greater than the Vedana. So they are not equal, you know, they are not equal. Vedana is just a part of the Boa. No, the Boa is more than the Vedana. That's why due to Vedana arises Boa only, not due to Boa arises Vedana, we do not say. So you see here, you have 4 Jaduka with the first Vara. Jaku Upika Sagada, Agusla Vibhaṅga, Upika Sagada, Jaku Vinyana is analyzed with 4 Jaduka with each Vara, you know, 4 Jaduka with each Vara. So we have to see the Atakta, what Atakta say here. We read Atthakatha first, then we discuss. Atthakatha 306 here, Atthakatha. Abhyagata hita chitupada ghade agata patipatiya wa vipada. Now, the Abhyagata is analyzed according to the order given in the Chitupada Gada. The below the previous Chitupada Gada. The order is the analyzed here. The order. So the Sabha Wari Suja is all Wara. All Wara. We have 4 Wara each Tuka. Sabha Wari Suja. Avijja Mulaka Neya Prihina. So Avijja Mulaka Naya, the method rooted in Avijja Prihina is omitted. All Vara. All Vara. So in the first Vara, there is no Avijja. This one is studied for the Sankharabhaja Vijnana. Not Avijja Mulaka or not Avijja Bhaja Sankharo. Sankharabhaja Vijnanas. In every Vara. Now the cause, the original cause starts with the Sankhara. So here omitted, all the Naya, Avijja Mulaka Naya is omitted. So we do not have Avijja Mulaka Naya. Remember, one Naya is omitted. Kasma why? Avijja Thane is the place of Avijja. Tabetabasa Abhavado. Tabetabasa to be poured. Now the Dhamma to be poured is the place of Avijja. Abhavado, no. Abhavado, no. There is no any realities to be poured in the place of Avijja. In the place of Avijja, there is no any Dhamma to be poured, to be analyzed. That's why it starts from the Sankhara instead of study from Avijja. Sankharabhaja Vijnana. The Kusala Chittesu he writes, Kusala Chittesu is the Kusala Chitta. Avijja Thane Tabedaba Kusala Mula Ati. There is Kusala Mula to be poured in the place of Avijja. So a Kusala, there is the Kusala Mula Ati. The Kusala Chittesu, a Kusala Chitta. The paṭiccasamuppādavibhaṅgo does not start from the Avijja, but a place of Avijja, in the place of Avijja, there is something to be analyzed. That is Kusala Mula. Now Kusala Mula Ati, there is Kusala Mula at the Kusala. Chakku Vijnana Disu Nati. Chakku Vijnana Disu. Chakku Vijnana, Sota Vijnana, Gana Vijnana, Jo Vijnana, Kaya Vijnana. Chakku Vijnana, etc. There is no any Dhamma to be placed to the place in the place of Avijja. So there is no any Dhamma to be placed in the place of Avijja, the Chakku Vijnana, etc. No Avijja. The Sahetu Kesu Panna, but Sahetu Kesu, Sahetuka Upa Abhyagata. We have Ahetuka Abhyagata, Sahetuka Abhyagata. So the Ahetuka Chittas are called Ahetuka Abhyagata. The Sahetuka Vibhaṅga, Sahetuka Kriya, they are called Sahetuka Abhyagata. So Sahetukesu is the Sahetuka Abhyagata. Is Sahetuka Abhyagata. Kejapi Ati, there is, even though there is. In the Sahetuka Abhyagata, there is the Mula. The Mula, like Aloba, Adosa, Amoha. Sahetuka Chitta, there is Mula. Even though Sahetuka Kesupana, Kejapi Ati, even though there is. It was said to be even though. Ida, this Abhyagata chapter, but Ida, how to say Ida? Ida here, Ida, here we can say Ida, or is this Abhyagata? Pachinata, through the beginning of the Abhyagata Dhamma, Pacchinada has been cut. Tata Nakida is the Abhyada Vara, Nakida, not to be taken. That means the Kusla Mula is the Sahetuka Vibhaṅga, Sahetuka Kriya. Even though there are Kusla Mula, like Aloba, Adosa, Amoha. But where the Buddha analyzed those Jada, he will not analyze study with the Kusla Mula. Because a study from this Jada, it has been cut off. So where Buddha analyzed the other Jadas, or the other Jada with the Hindu, so he will not analyze with the Hindu as condition, like a Kusala Mula Pajya Sankharo, even though there are Kusala Mula, the Buddha will not analyze as Kusala Mula Pajya Sankharo, because here Kusala Mula, the word Kusala Mula has been cut off. It's cut off from here, because for this Abhyagata, the Buddha step for the Sankhara Pajya Vijnana. Sankhara Pajya Vijnana. That's why in the Sahetuka Jada also the Buddha will not start Kusala Mula Pajya Sankharo. The Buddha will start only Sankhara Pajya Vijnana, like these Jadas. Pajya Vijnana Sota Patidawa Hodawa, because they are fed down, or they are falling down in the street of Chakku Vijnana. Pajya Vijnana. They are falling down in the Pajya Vijnana. Desana Kata, the Buddha analyzed those Jadas. Idi Uditaba. Visisato Paneta. Visisato Paneta. How do the Visisato Paneta. Here, this specialty here. Chakku Vijnana Disutana Thana Upadatana Japrihina. Chakku Vijnana is a toa. The place of Tana, the place of Upadanas are omitted. Prihina. Kasma why Tana, the place of Tana, the place of Upadanas are omitted. Why? Tana Thana Rahasa Balawa Dhammasa Abhava. There is no the strong Dhamma Abhava. Balawa Dhammasa Abhava. There is no strong power in the place of Tana. To be placed in the Tana, to be placed in Tana. There is no strong Dhamma to be placed in the place of Tana. There is no strong Dhamma, because among the seven Jadasika here, among the seven Jadasika, we have Paso, Vedana, Sanya, Jirana, Ekagada, Jivu, Dendriya, Manasika, Raw. Those are not as strong as Tana. That's why those are not to be analyzed here. Now there is no the Balawa Dhammasa Abhava. This is the Balawa Dhamma, strong Dhamma like a Tana. The Abhava. There is no strong Dhamma like a Tana to be placed in the place of Tana. Adhimokha Rahita Daja. Number two, Adhimokha Rahita Daja. Here the second reason. As it is lack of Abhidhamma, the devoid of the Adhimokha. As it is devoid of the Adhimokha. In the Chakku Vijnana Jadas, there is no Adhimokha Jadasika. That's why there is no the Adhimokha Jadasika. That's why there is no any Dhamma in the place of Tana, a Upadana. Sesa Hetu Kesu, yeah. Sesa hetu kesu. Ahetu kesu. Sesa hetu kesu here. Amadi ahetuka abhyagada. So ahetuka abhyagada, ahetuka kusla vipaka, ahetuka akusla vipaka, ahetuka kriya, they all are called ahetuka abhyagada. Here, sesa ahetu kesu, the remaining ahetuka abhyagada, apart from 10 vinyana. Apart from 10 vinyana, the remaining ahetuka vipaka, like a sabdejana sandirana, the pajadora vajana, manodora vajana, hasipupada, edo jeda, edo jeda. Pasada sambhavato. No, Tanatana mewa prihina, sorry. Tanatana mewa prihina. Only, it is omitted only in the place of Tana. Because in other ahetuka abhyagada jeda, there is a timokha. Not only in these 10 vinyana, there is no adhimokha. That's why in the place of Tana, there will be adhimokha here. Tanatana, sorry, Tanatana prihina. Tanatana. So the adhimokha not like a Tana. Adhimokha like a upadana. Only satta is like a Tana. As there is no satta in these jada, in those jada, there will be no the reality is the place of Tana. Sahetu kesu is sahetuka abhyada. Mahavipaka, Mahakriya, Rupajara Vipaka, Rupajara Kriya, Plachidas. All those are the Sahetuka Vipaka abhyada. Sahetuka abhyada pasada sambhavato. As there is possibility of pasada. Sambhavato, as there is the possibility of pasada. Tanatane pasadena pada purita. In the place of Tana, the priest pasada is completed. The place of pasadena pada purita, the priest is completed with the pasada. Now the priest pada here, the priest is completed purita with pasada in the place of Tana. Ewan thus eta kusla vipakesu. Ewan kusla vipakesu. The kusla vipaka, akusla vipaka. Chakku vinyana disu. Chakku vinyana etc. Sankara vinyana nama chatayana phasa vedana mulaka chacha. Now only 6. Chakku vinyana is this vinyana, we have only 6. Mulaka. The Sakhara mulaka, vinyana mulaka, nama mulaka, chatayana mulaka, phasa mulaka, vedana mulaka. Only 6 methods, only 6 naya instead of 9. Only 6 naya here. We are chacha 6 naya. Each jada, chacha, we are chacha 6. Each jada, there are only 6 naya, not more than 6. Sesa hetu kesu, sesa ahetuka. Yeah, the tevunyana here, tevunyana 6. Sesa ahetuka. The remaining ahetuka like a sabdejana, sandirana, pajara vajana, manora vajana, hasidupara. Edo jeda, adhimokha mulakena sade, satta. Edo jeda, there will be 7 naya with adhimokha. Adhimokha mulaka, with adhimokha mulaka. So you have Sankhara mulaka, Vinyana mulaka, Nama mulaka, Charayana mulaka, Phasa mulaka, Vedana mulaka, and Adhimokha mulaka. You have 7 mulaka there. There's Sahetu Kesu, Esa Hetuka Cheda. Saheduka Abhyada, Mahavibhaṅga, Mahakriya, Upajara, Upaka, Upajara, Kriya, Phala. Saheduka Abhyada, Pasada Mulakina Sade, with Pasada Mulaka. Ata Naya, Vididaba, eight methods, eight Naya should be understood. So we have at most only 8 Naya here because there is no Avijja Mulaka Naya. So Avijja Mulaka Naya is Saheduka Vibhaṅga, Saheduka Abhyada. Only Avijja Mulaka is omitted. There are 8 Mulaka because Eto Cheda there is Pasada Adhimaka. As we have Pasada Adhimaka, Pasada will be placed in the place of Dana. Adhimaka will be placed in the place of Upadana. So we have 8. This is the remark. So how about Vara? The Chiduka, we have Chiduka. How about Vara here? How many Vara can be applied to the Pajavinyana? So let's see how many Vara. So in Pajavinyana, remember there is no Rupa. Not only Cheta Ejerisika, 1 Cheta, 7 Jerisika only. Remember, only Cheta Ejerisika. Teta among the Cheta. Chakuvinyana Disu. Chakuvinyana, etc. Chakuvinyana, Sadavinyana, Ganavinyana, Jovinyana, Kayavinyana. Chatonabi, Chatukana, Atiwarova, Voto. Chatonabi, Chatukana. Of the 4 Chatukas, Atiwarova, Voto, analyzed with only the first Vara. So we have seen the Pali already. You have seen in the Pali. Only the first Vara analyzed, not the second Vara, not the third Vara, not the fourth Vara. With 4 Chiduka. See here, with 4 Chiduka. With 4 Chiduka, you have 309, 309, 308, 309, Pacha Chiduka, 307, Pacha Chiduka. 307, 308, Hedu Chiduka, the first Vara. The 309, Samyuddha Chiduka, the first Vara. The 310, Anya Manya Chiduka, the first Vara. So 4 Chiduka with the first Vara only. With the first Vara only. Dutiya Varo, the second Vara. Yeah. Dutiya Varo is the second Vara. The second Vara. Pacha Visisatena. The Pacha Visisatena, because of this special condition, Laba Manobi Naudo, even though it can be obtained, even though it can be applied Naudo, the second Vara is not analyzed. Only the first Vara or Ichiruka, not the second Vara there. Actually, the second Vara is possible to be applied as the special condition of the Pacha, which is the special condition of the Pacha here. Now, the second Vara also should be, because the second Vara, Ojabaja Sankaro, the second Vara, we can say, Sakara Paja Vinyana, Vinyana Paja, Nama Paja, Paso, Nama Paja, Paso, no Chatayarana. No ayarana. In the second Vara, there is no salayarana. There is no ayarana. No, there is no ayarana. With a Sakarapaja Vinyana, Vinyanapaja Nama, Namapaja Paso there. In the second Vara, you remember? Namaja Paso, Pasapaja, Virana, Vinanapaja, Dana, Danapaja, Vinapaja, Dana, Danapaja Bo. Wapaja Jari, Jaripaja Jaramarana, Ewa Medasa Kiwala Saduka Kandasa, Samudyo Hodi. If we have to analyze, we have to analyze it that way. But here, it is not mentioned in the books. In the books. only the first vara is mentioned. The second vara is not mentioned, even though it can be obtained here. Laba manopi naoto. Tatiya chiruta vara asabwato yewa. The third is the fourth vara asabwato yewa is not possible. In the third vara we have Chatayarana. In the fourth vara we have Salayarana. So Salayarana. So Salayarana, Chatayarana, we have Namarupa. Now Vinyana Paja Namarupa, Namarupa Paja Chatayarana, Vinyana Paja Namarupa, Namarupa Paja Salayarana. So in the third is the fourth vara. This one is these data. The third vara, the fourth vara are not the obtained, are not to be applied, cannot be applied, these two vara. Asambhawado. Why? He right. Rupa Miskate, because those two varas are mixed with the matter here. Rupa Miska mixed with the matter, those two vara. Those the vara, the four varas are mixing with matter. That's why they are not to be applied here. Naja Chakunyana Dina Rupa Samotapedi, the other reason here. But this reason, the easy to understand because you know already. Chakunyana Dina, Dini, Rupa Nasamotapedi. Chakunyana, Sodawyana, Ganayana, Joyana, Gayawyana. These Wyana do not produce Rupa. Rupa Nasamotapedi do not produce Rupa. This is also the reason. That's why the third vara and the fourth vara are not to be applied here. Not to be applied. Yataja Patama Chituke Dwara Labadi, as two varas are obtained in the Patama Chaduka. Patama Chaduka means Pacha Chaduka. A Pacha Chaduka, there are two vara. A one says Chaduke Supi. A one says there are many. Three Chaduka also, there are two vara. Here. As in the first Chaduka, there are two vara. In the second, in the third, in the fourth Chaduka also there will be two vara. But in the Pali, it is mentioned only one vara. So we are going to recite the second vara later after we read this one. So we will recite, the second vara. We will note there the second vara also to be applied. Tasma Patama Chaduke Tudiya Waro. Tasma Patama Chaduke Tudiya Waro. Is the first vara, that is Pacha vara. The first Chaduka is the Pacha Chaduka Tudiya Waro, the second vara. Sisa Chaduke Su Cha Dwe Wara Awutabi. The remaining Chaduka, even those two varas are not applied, are not expounded. Otawa Hodi, it is expounded. Even though they are not expounded, but it is expounded. They are expounded. See, even those, that is understood. And then the Buddha has analyzed, you see, a detail. But where the record in the palm leaves or with the record in the books, maybe they leave those things in order to save the page number, In order to save the page number, they do not apply, they do not write down here. But and there, the Buddha has analyzed the first vara, not only the first vara, but also the second vara, but not the third and the fourth vara. It is impossible to apply the third vara, the fourth vara, because they are mixing with the rupa. Sesa hetuka bhyagade, either remaining hetuka bhyagada. Hetuka bhyagada, sesa hetuka ahetuka abhyagade, sorry. Sesa ahetuka abhyagade, ahetuka abhyagada, you have what? Sabrijana, Sandirana, Bajadaravajana, Manadaravajana, Hasidopara, those Jada. Sabba Judukesu, Sabbaby Wara, Labadi can be applied with the all Juduka and with the Powara. With Powara, because those Jada can produce the matter. Those Jada can produce the matter, and they are also mixing with the matter. That's why the remaining Aheduka Abhyada. Now, all the Chiduka can be applied, all the water or each Chiduka also can be applied. Ida Pachinata Pana Prato Nakida, but here can be applied all, but can be applied all, but here, see, let's see. Ida Pachinata, it is karo here. It is karo here. Now, at the other jadas, it will not be analyzed with all because it's karo here. Ida pachina da bana prato nakita is the other jada, you know, it will not be analyzed. So the patita wa hodwa disnagada, so the patita wa hodwa disnagada. The disna, the doctrine is falling down here. That's why it will not analyze the analyze again. So sesa saheduka vipaki supi. The remaining saheduka vipaka also. Is one yo it is way. Anyadra arupajara vipaka. Except arupajara vipaka. So arupajara vipaka, the doctrine arupajara vipaka will be different with the other vipaka. No, the anyadra arupajara vipaka. So arupajara vipaka, we do not have, you know, rupa also there. The arupajara vipaka me wara doya mewa labadi. That's why the arupajara vipaka only 2 wara will be available. So the other the saheduka vipaka, all the waras are to be obtained. But in arupajara vipaka, not all the wara are to be obtained. Only 2 wara will be obtained. The first wara, the second wara. The third wara, the fourth wara will not be analyzed there because those 2 waras are mixing with the rupa. This is the note of the explanation of the Atakta. So let's see.
Hi, Sayadaw.
Okay, please.
Yeah, so here he said, even though that the Dvipanja Vijnana does not produce the Chittaja Rupa, but yes, remember when we studied earlier, in the last 2 varas, when the Buddha analyzed Rupa, he also mentioned 5 pasadas in there, right? The Upachaya, remember, Chakha Yatanasa Upachaya, Sota Yatanasa Upachaya, and so on. And then the Atakatha said that it is related in terms of the Pachajata Pachaya.
Yes, previously right? You said like that.
Yes. So here we can apply the same things, even though these Vibhaṅga Vijnana, they do not produce Chittaja Rupa, but they still support the pasadas. So why don't we apply them here?
I don't know. He also did not say anything about that, you know. He forget it. Previously he said so, but when he explained this, he did not say about that anymore. I have no idea. I have no idea. Because whenever he explained, you know, he had to depend on the Buddha's teaching. So what the Pali or the original the canonical Pali. So if the canonical Pali mentioned there with rupa, so he add a rupa. But here, a canonical Pali, it is not mentioned. That's why he did not say anything. He did not touch anything about this. I think so, you know.
No, but then we say it like that. So, you know, then there is second vara in the Pali does not mention, but he analyzed that we should have the second vara.
This one possible, you know, possible. Because in the second vara we have Vijnana Bhaja Nama Bhaja Paso instead of Chatayarana. He just leave there is no whether Chatayarana or no Chatayarana doesn't matter. Just the possibility of the doctrine. So it is possible. According to my idea possible. Sally, please.
Could you please read the Mulatika in that part? Sayadaw.
Sorry?
The Mulatika.
In that part.
In that part?
Yeah.
Mulatika Tadiya Varo Asa Bhavato.
Yeah.
Mulatika. So. Mulatika. Vibhaṅgapāḷi. Mulatika Tontomya Cha. Here. This part you mean?
Yes.
Tadiya Jaruta Varo Asa Bhavato Kasma Vokta. Why? The Athagata said the second vara, the third varas are not possible. So Kasma wrote down why he said so. Okay, Jakuvinyana Dini, he made the question. Jakuvinyana Dini, Jakayarana, Nupachya Dina, the same thing, the previous one. Jakayana Nupachya Dina, Pachajara Pacha. Now, Hodi, he made the question. It is not possible. It's not possible for the Jakuvinyana, the Tevinyana. It is not possible for Tevinyana to be for Tevinyana by spirit of the Jakuvinyana, etc., by means of Pachachara. He made the question. Now, Hodi, it is possible. The Jakuvinyana as Tevinyana can support Jakayana, etc., by Pachachara. It is possible. Yes. The Vipaja that arise later can support, can condition the pasada that has arisen before by Pachachada. Yes. The Upadana Jira Samotana Asamotana Sandaya here. The Dupa Tabakasa Jeda Samotanasa. The Dupa Tabakasa Jeda Samotanasa. Yeah. The Upatapakasa Jedasmotanasa. The Jedasmotana that support Asamotapana Sandaya. So here Asamotapana, not the Jakunyana Esra cannot produce the matter. Cannot produce the matter. The matter that can support, you know, Asamotapana Sandaya. Asamotapana. The matter that produced by the Vijnana, there is not the matter. There is not the matter that produced by the Vijnana. That's why the Athagata said, Asambhavato. The Rupa Tapakasa Jedasmotanasa Asamotapana. Chirasamutthana atma. There is no Chirasamutthana rupa. By referring to this, he said asambhavado. What does it mean here, please? Asambhavado votandi tatapa. We have to note. Now, we have to know where the Atthakatha said asambhavado. Because asamutthapana, there is no Chirasamutthana rupa. There, the Tupa Tapakasa Chirasamutthana, there is no rupa that produced by the Vijnana to support. That's why he said asambhavado. The third vara, the four varas are not possible. So can you explain this one? Or no, please, right now.
Well, I mean, so in that sentence, what he says is that there is no Chittajarupa. And
Yes.
Chittajarupa support the Kammajarupa.
Kammajarupa. So that he referred to this. He said it's possible. Right?
No, please read the next sentence. Sahajata Pachayata.
Sajada Pachajada Vinyana. Sajada Vinyana Pachada Vinyana. Apana Wasena, the Dabi at the time, Vinyana Pajanamarupa. Vinyana Pajanamarupa. The Pachajada Sahajada Namasa. Pachajada Nama Sajada Nama Sajada Purejada. Buddha Chakhandi Rupa Wasena. Namarupa Pacha Salayana Labadi. So Sahajada Pachajada Vinyana, Sajada Vinyana, Pachajada Vinyana, Zasada Vinyana, the Vinyana rest together, Pachajada Vinyana, the Vinyana that arises later to support the previous one. Wasena Tadhabi at the time, Vinyana Pacha Namarupa. Sahajada, Vinyana Pacha Nama, Pachajada, Vinyana Pacha Rupa, Vinyana Pacha Namarupa. So it is possible. Pachajada Sajada Namasa. The Nama here, the Vinyana there, Sajada Vinyana, Pachajada Vinyana, there are two kinds of Vinyana. Two kinds of Vinyana, Vinyana Pacha Rupa, the two kinds of Vinyana. Vinyana Pacha Rupa, we say here. Nama Rupa. So here, the Vinyana, Sahajada Vinyana, Pachajada Vinyana. Two Vinyana. By Sajada Vinyana, Pachajada Vinyana. Vinyana Pacha Nama Rupa. There could be Vinyana Pacha Nama Rupa. So Sajada Vinyana Nama. Pachajada Vinyana Rupa. So Vinyana Pacha Nama Rupa. It is possible. The Pachajada Sajada Nama Sa. Yeah, Pachajada Nama Sajada Nama. The two Nama, the Chetasika, Pachajada, the Chetasika arises later. Now support the previous matter. The Sahajada Nama. The Nama, the Chetasika arises together with the Vinyana. This Nama. Sahajada Purejada Buddha Chakhadi Rupasa. The Chakhayarana, etc., which is Sahajada Purejada. Chakhayarana, Sahajada Purejada Buddha Chakhadi Rupasa. Chakhadi Rupasa. There is Sahajada. They arise together. The Sahajada. They are not Sabhyada, not Anyamanya. They are Sahajada. Now, with the Chakupasara, with Chakunyana arises, there is Chakupasara. So we say this Rupa, Nama to Rupa here. The Nama is Pachajada Nama, Sajada Nama, two kinds of Nama here. Pachajada Nama, Sajada Nama. The Jedasika is the Rupa here, Pachajada. Yes, Sajada, Jedasika, the Rupa also Sajada, with the Sajada, Pachajada can be. Then, Sahajada Purejada Buddha. Now the Pasada, which is Sahajada Purejada. Now the Pasada Rupa. Chakhadi Rupa, the Rupa, Chakha Jadana, etc. The Rupa, Chakhadi Rupa. The Rupa here, there can be Sahajada Purejada Rupa. Wasena Nama Rupa Pacha Salayarana. So Nama Rupa Pacha Salayarana. Due to Nama Rupa, there is Salayarana. Labati obtained. Tadiya Jaduta Wara not Sambhavati. Labati obtained. That's why Tadiya Jaduta Wara, the third Wara, the fourth Wara, not Sambhavati, that is means Sambhavati. Possible. So according to the nature, it is possible. But according to the Jeta Samutthana, there is no Jeta Samutthana, that's a pole. According to that, it is impossible. But according to this, it is possible. So according to the Mulatika, all the Vara are to be analyzed here. According to Atakta, there are only 2 Vara. According to Mulatika, there could be all Varas. Is it? Nana Sambhavati means Sambhavati. 2 negative here. Nana Sambhavati. Sambhavati. So Viññānapaccaya Nama Rupa Paccaya Salayarana. It is possible. It is Sambhavati. So according to Mulatika, 4 Vara can be applied. According to Atakta, only 2 Vara can be applied. So next time we are going to apply the Vara, you know. We are going to extend our knowledge. We are going to broaden our knowledge by the following the Atakta remark. The Pali. So we have only here in the Pali only the first Vara mentioned in each of the Jaduka. Now we are going to analyze. Next time we are going to analyze the second Vara, or according to Mulatika, the third Vara, the fourth Vara too. Is it okay?
Only for the Panchaviññāna, but not for the Arupa Vibhaga.
Yes, not Arupa Vibhaga. Arupa Vibhaga is different according to Atakta.
Yes.
So Arupa Vibhaga different. So Arupa Vibhaga will be cannot be all. Arupa Vibhaga only 2 Vara. Dvipaccaya can be 4 Vara. The other can be 4 Vara. Okay. Okay, time is over. That's all for today. Thanks for listening. Let's conclude the class. Buddha Sasana Jira Detedu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detedu. Buddha Sasana Jira Detedu.
Sadhu. Thank you so much, Sayadaw.
Thank you so much, Sayadaw.
We see you, Sayadaw.
Okay, you have a class. Please enjoy your class today.
We're
See
going
you
to have a
tomorrow.
meditation.
Okay.
Yes, Sayadaw.